Hello students, welcome in our computer class. Today we are going to start our chapter number 9, that is Internet level 2. Why the name given level 2? Because you have already learned about internet in your previous class. Today in this video we will cover internet and its history and some terminology which we use in internet. So watch this video carefully and after that you have to read page number 136 to 138. The meaning of internet is international network of computer. Millions of computers are linked together across the world. When they are joined across the world, they are known as internet. The internet word is made up of two words, international plus network. The first internet was developed by a research agency of USA and the name was ARPANET, the full form of Advanced Research Project Agency Net. Okay, ARPANET was the first internet of the world. Many universities, offices has joined that network. Nowadays, almost all of us, even that students also, has joined the network. That is internet. No one is the owner of internet. Not a single person or company or agency can control it. In India, on 15th August 1995, by VSNL, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited has launched internet for Indian public. And afterwards, private telecom companies like Tata Indicom, Airtel, Reliance, Sifi, etc. has given the services. So these are called ISP, Internet Service Provider. We need some software like Netscape, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome. These are known as web browsers which connect us with internet. Now by the help of a short practical, I am explaining you how can you use internet. So let's start. That is on my computer and Google Chrome is on my computer as a web browser I have used. I just click on Google Chrome. A search box is appearing at the web page. Okay. Then I have written generations of computer or whatever you want to search. You can type here. I have typed generation of computer. When I have typed it, you have downside you have some suggestions. Select on it, otherwise double click on it. After clicking you will get many different type of result at the web page. Okay, it is a search engine. Google Chrome is a search engine, so it is searching according to your requirement. That is the scroll bar. You can scroll and see the result from downside. And listen, blue words are written in that blue words are showing that one link is there. When you click on it, you will go to the next page, to the main website of that particular site. There, look, I have clicked on that and that is circle is it is buffering, means it will take a few minutes or a few seconds to open that particular web page. Now it is going to open. Look, you have to wait for a while. It's depend on the speed of net. Okay, the main page of the website is appeared. It is known as home page. Okay, from here I can get many information about the generation of computer. Look, now observe that I have gone to back for the again the Google search. That color is purple because I have opened that site, and the rest of the colors are blue. That is showing that hyperlinking, but I have still no opened it. Okay, I think it's clear to you how to search anything on internet. Now I am telling you some special terminology which we use in internet. Okay, so first is HTML. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is a language used to create documents, or you can say it is used to create web pages. I think in previous class you have worked in HTML. Yes, the information on the internet is present in the form of documents, which is known as HTML document. and it defines the structure and layout of a web document. It means you can say it is used to create web pages. Now web page, it is a document which we have written in HTML that can be viewed in any web browser. It may include text, picture, links, audios, videos, many images, etc. A web page is identified by a URL assigned to it. In short, you can say website is made up from many web pages. It's a collection of web pages. Commonly term is website. Website is a collection of related web pages that are linked together in various ways. A website is hosted by at least one web server for accessing it. It can be personal, commercial, government, educative, or a non-profit organization website also. It can be created and maintained by an individual or a person or a business or any organization for a particular purpose. First page of website is known as home page. So our next term is home page. You can say it is the initial or main page of a website that allows a visitor to navigate or to move in the complete web pages. Okay. www, the full form of www is World Wide Web, or you can say it's a simply web is one of the most popular service of the internet that is used for the information retrieval. It refers to the collection of all web documents, or you can say web pages and other web resources that are linked together by the hyperlinks. Okay, so www is oftenly used interchangeably, but the www is one of the large number of service of the internet. HTTP, the full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's a protocol that allows transfer of web documents on the www. What is the meaning of protocol? Protocol are the rules which can be followed, or which you can say which are followed by the information when it is transferred. So this protocol defines how messages are formatted and transmitted. Okay, the browsers uses HTTP, you have seen in the URL, to communicate with the web server and retrieve web document for the user. It's sufficient for today. Today's your homework is that you have to read page number 136 to 138 carefully. Thanks for watching video.